Could you be my baby? Shawty said she from the east side, baby. Fell in love with the street life, baby. Could you be mine? Could you be mine?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys this headband wig I received from Aliglossy Hair. This is a 20-inch natural wave wig in 30% density. I will link all the information in the description box below. And as you can see, I'm showing off the nice pretty packaging that the wig did come in, and it was very much filled with nice gifts, which I love so much. This is a headband that came with it, a nice pair of lashes, and 2 wig caps in one pack, and also a care card. And it also comes with a prize scratch off and aftercare service information on the back of the card. And right now I'm just showing you the wig and its nice texture. Also, I'm going to show you the inside of the wig. The top of the wig does come with 3 combs, and the bottom comes with 1, so that way you'll be able to secure your wig whenever you decide to wear it. So right now I'm going to shape and mold my baby hairs. That way it will look very natural when I install the wig.
See your face whenever I I'ma leave not all the thing she put me through. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. I'ma leave none of the things she put me through. This is why I just can't get with you. Say you finished, now it's back to business. Done what he said, she say, and you back up in it. Done with all the baggage and you packed up with it. Back to square one, when your ear got you acting different. Got me thinking you don't love me, they been lying on you. Gotta open up your page, they got me spying on you. They wanna give you up that quick, I spent some time on you. Maxing and relaxing, pouring up that fine wine. I tell you, it's been a minute. You think we should've finished? Tell me that I'm selfish, I tell you, you don't get it. I drink liquor like it's water, then you turn into my baby. Then we argue, then we make up, then you turn into my favorite. Shit is crazy, but after all the fighting, girl, I miss you. You never find a nigga who gon' kiss you like I do. Like I do. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. Won't believe none of the things she put me through. This is why I just can't get with you.
See, I lay back, away back, I'm glad that I found you. Niggas think it's sweet, but I play no games about you. You say fuck me, girl, you know that we about to. We end on round 2, then you playing one of my tunes. Niggas couldn't beat me if they wearing my shoes. Niggas wanna be you, that's why they just stay around you. Fuck what everybody say, I'm just trying to say soundproof. You get a little clout, now everyone says I ain't doubt you. Before I started blowing up, you never said I got you. Turned up too quick, I'm not even about you. That is so crazy, cause you know that I was about you. You had my heart, you broke it, and I feel like I ain't got you. Riding slow, vibing slow. Who you riding for? Who you sliding for?
See your face whenever I'ma leave none of the things she put me through.
So overall, I really like this wig. It's very convenient and it's very easy to install. I love the texture of it, and it's very soft, no tangling and no shedding. But however, I do prefer a 180% or a 200% density wig on longer hair wigs. That way I get the maximum fullness. But other than that, I really like this wig, and I will be wearing it again because, like I said, it's very convenient and it does look good, especially if you're like on the go, and it's very beginner friendly as well. All I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time.